Who will come here? Come here. Come. Huh? Now I'm just come to the office. Just see Nancy, always thin. She never grows only yaar. हमेशा पतली पतली रहती है. Then she'll say, I've got this, I've got that. She never puts on weight only. Now I said something to her. She's always patla, never puts on weight. Then she's saying, I've got sugar, my legs are paining, got a migraine headache, so I've come late. Every time she's giving some reason or the other. She'll never put the files properly in time. Okay? Now what emotions you get in your mind?
I was angry.
You were angry. Now repeatedly, if this is continued, if this conversation in some way or the other is continued, what will happen? The anger may either go, just change, will either go to the neck, it will either go to the head, or it will go to any part of the body and create a disease. Are you getting it? She is not letting her emotion out. But at the same time, if she will drink water, suppose she drinks water at the same time, or if she goes to the latrine and says, I hate Sonal, every time she has to do something or the other to tell me, that emotion is going out. Uska energy ko channel mil gaya when she is doing out. But when she doesn't do, when she is silent, then that anger energy that is in the negative form will either come to the neck or go to any organ of the body, or it may create acidity. Anything will happen. Are you getting it? If she takes it to her heart. So it is proportional to either in what way you respond or react to a given situation at a given time. Then nothing will happen. So, what is it? Management of emotion when something is happening. Reaction, response. If you have mastered this, you are the master of your life. You need to only master this, nothing else. And bus, how to keep CCR, cool, calm, relaxed. And if you know to forgive yourself, you can forgive all people around. Yes or no? Please sit down, sit down. So, you need to remember 3 things. Love myself, say with me. Love myself, forgive myself, thank myself, appreciate myself, accept myself. Repeat.
Love myself, forgive myself, accept myself, appreciate myself,
and repeat. Repeat. याद रहने को. Repeat.
Love myself, forgive myself, appreciate myself, accept. Repeat.
Repeat once more. You must remember and do it every day. Repeat. Okay. Now, I love Sonal so much. आप रोज स्नान करते हो तो इसको मसाज करते हो? हाँ या ना? When you take bath, you are massaging your whole body with soap. So in some form or the other, see that you start loving yourself. When you will start loving yourself, is happiness created, yes or no? Yes. Going away from nature is not being happy. So you remain in your happiness state because you are yourself that small person, that small conscious, what you are. हाँ या ना? Is it possible or not? Not possible? Is it conditioned? Now what do you feel from what you told me? When we began the lecture, you had something to tell me, and now you have heard to something we have discussed. Now what is your feeling? I want you to tell me. What is happiness? After the discussion, come on.
Happiness is my state of mind. Happiness is what and when I choose to create it for myself.
Okay.
Happiness is about loving myself, living in the present, living in the now, and not thinking about the past and the future.
Okay.
It is my happiness, it's this state of calm, cool, relaxed that creates my physical
Next,
well-being as
आप
well.
बोलो. What you feel is happiness. I have. Pardon? What else?
You have to accept as I am
Okay.
and being present or always forgive yourself. Accept the service rendered by your own service, by own self.
What else? Sir.
This state of mind, better was present. Inspiring oneself and others also. Just to give happiness. That totally depends on us. We cannot blame others. And we are responsible for whatever the state of mind we have. We should take the responsibility.
आप.
Happiness is being grateful for what you are, for what you are doing, and giving 100% to your present.
आप बोलो.
Not depend on my past mistakes. And I should live in the present. I should love myself.
Ma'am, water. Okay. What else can we say about happiness?
Accepting what you get.
What else?
Managing my emotions.
Avoid complaint. Always be.
Saying something, but more often than not, it's not just our inside self. You know, that is some art that we master over a period of time, just to be happy always, irrespective of what is happening to you. But in the day-to-day life, what happens more often than not is certain people might do something which causes that anger, that resentment.
But please understand, 1 minute. Now you said that certain people do something which causes anger, resentment. All the people are behaving the way they are. And you are reacting the way you are. So if they are behaving the way they are and you are reacting the way you are, what is the difference between the two?
Same.
They are bound to do whatever they are going to do. So you bound to, it's up to you whether to leave it over there or to take it inside. If I say Nancy is thin, Nancy is this, Nancy is this, Nancy is this, what difference will it make to you?
Except for the little time that I may react in a negative way, grip about you, feel negative about you, or maybe just form a very negative opinion about this.
Yes, correct, okay. So nothing more than that. Will your real self change? If your real self is not affected, if your real self is not changing, by anyone speaking anything, is really anything happening? Is your hand or leg cut if someone tells you something? So you are making it happen, that is why it is happening. If you are just leaving it to that moment, then what happens? Does something happen? If you go and tell that person that don't speak like this, will it make a difference? Will you, if you come and tell me, see Sonal, hey Sonal, don't speak like this. We are good colleagues. Will it really make a difference? No. Will it make a difference? Will I stop commenting on you? I'll continue, in fact I'll do more. Hey, you know, Nancy came to me, she told me she's not this, she's not this. You're trying to defend yourself, so I have more a chance to speak more about yourself. So it's all in a state where you need to or you don't need to. But if you operate at a level of unconditional love from within with everyone, irrespective of what the other person is, when we say energy travels, your love energy will change the other person. Yes or no? Yes or no? Your love energy will change the other person because energy is traveling. So it is your state of being that is important than the other person. Because in the world of consciousness, the other doesn't exist at all. There is only oneness and sameness because we all are one. We all are not separate. We are separate only to identify. Sonal and Nancy are two different beings only to make them to identify. But otherwise both are conscious. Yes or no? So everyone is an ocean of consciousness, conscious, but they are not different. Now, just coming to the other side of it, we said that Nancy gets angry. Okay, she may have ulcer. Repeatedly getting angry or irritated at something or the other at home or at office will lead to acidity in her body, dyspepsia, acidity, ulcer in her body. Yes or no? And then she'll take some antacid for that. But her mental state is not changing. Many a times due to anger she may have some headache, or she may have spasm in the neck, then giving rise to spondylitis. Spondylitis के लिए ट्रैक्शन लिया, फिजियोथेरेपी किया, अच्छा हो गया. एंगर आया, वापस हेड पेन आया. तो कॉज को तो देखा नहीं. देखा? ये एक स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल आपको देती हूँ. Like that there are so many such examples. There are so many such examples whereby either we go into contraction due to fear, anxiety, tension, sorrow. The organs of our body contract because that emotions are created in the body, and when they contract, the blood circulation becomes less and pathology is created. So it is only our mental state that is responsible for that. Otherwise, when blood circulation and everything is happening, everything is 100% perfect. It's just perfect. It's all fantastic. Yes or no? I always ask myself one question, that do I have the power to make urine? If I drink water, can I make urine? Or it happens on its own? I don't have the power to make stool. Do I have the power to make stool or to manufacture stool in a market? Can I do something about it? It's a natural process, yes or no? So emotion is also a natural process. उसको एक पैटर्न मिल गया है, जैसा डिजाइन एक मिल गया है, कपड़े का डिजाइन होता है ना, वैसा माइंड का भी एक पैटर्न बन गया है. When you will go into the state of awareness, for that what is essential? To sit with closed eyes before lunch and before dinner, 10 minutes. If for lunch you can't sit because you are working somewhere, at least at night you can sit. Before dinner, sit with closed eyes only for 10 minutes. You will find a lot of difference in yourself. Do nothing but just sit with closed eyes. Do nothing, just observe yourself. You will see all the thoughts are coming, all the thoughts are going, all the thoughts are coming and going. You are just observing yourself. There is nothing. Are you understanding what I am saying? So you are coming into that Sakshi Bhav. And when you are coming into that Sakshi Bhav, you are actually realizing how many mistakes you yourself are creating. And you will be in a state of nothingness. If you sit with eyes closed, do you feel happy, good or not? Yes or no? थोड़ा शांति लगा. होता है कि नहीं होता है? So my heartiest message to you is, what are the 3 homeworks we have discussed? Number 1, strength weaknesses, CCR. Number 3, वो कॉलम बनाने का. कौन सा कॉलम? Present plans result वो. And 4th thing, to sit with eyes closed 10 minutes before lunch or dinner, whatever you can do once a day till you die. अगर उतना करोगे, I am definite about it 100% that there should be no problem at all. 100% there should be no problem at all. You can 100% be very happy, sure. Because all the diseases that are coming to our body, which are acute or chronic, acute may be due to injury, due to some fall or weather changes sometimes. But otherwise that are there for a long time are all due to our emotions. All are psychosomatic. All will be definitely taken care of. And everything works only by intention. And if you decide that I want this, then it will start happening immediately. Are you with me?
trying to actually be as present only.
I am saying plan for the future. उससे आपका thoughts कम हो जाएगा. आपके mind को खाली करने की प्रक्रिया देखनी है. If your mind is empty, you will not get kachra thoughts. You are getting 50,000 thoughts a day. Are they less? 50,000, 25 to 30 thoughts per minute. That is what the scientists say.
I personally feel it was very funny looking at this here. I hardly get 30 to 40
That is what you are feeling in the conscious, subconscious mind. You are not aware of what is happening. You are not fully aware of your conscious, subconscious.
Whatever the thought comes related to that area only, it is sort of a thought that is next one.
No, I am saying in general, everyday general thoughts. That is what the scientists are saying. And plus, you are only using 3% of your brain before you die. You are not using 96%. That also you must be knowing. All the other is just inactive. So it is up to us that we become 100%. We put in 100% effort only on ourselves to change ourselves so everything else around us can change.